Well, hello there, over 50 friends. Mark Tenderpack with you with your AI tip of the week. This week, using AI to make your expertise visible so management and your boss take note. This week's AI tip of the week is going to be a little bit different. It's about survival. It's about the value that you bring to the job. It's about your job. It's about your career. And here's a fact, you have years of experience and it only exists in your head. How many people at work, other than yourself, does that happen to? Probably everybody you work with. And that could make you vulnerable. It could. So why not, idea time, use AI to document and showcase your expertise. Why not do that? Your boss won't be able to ignore the value, and it'll make your expertise visible. So you go from invisible to indispensable. And we have 3 quick AI wins for you in the form of prompts. So let's get going. Number 1, document those processes. What is the one thing that everybody at work comes to you for? What is that one problem that only you can fix? Why not document that with AI? And we've got some prompts for you. Now, these prompts are just general frameworks. You're going to have to massage these and create them for your particular situation. But I think you'll get a really good start with these, and I think these will help you out. So prompt number 1, I handle whatever the task is at my company. Help me create a step-by-step process document that captures my approach, including common problems and how I solve them. Make it clear enough that someone could follow it, but detailed enough to show my expertise. And interview me and ask me 3 questions, one at a time, so you have the context you need to help me. Now, I want you to pay particular attention to that last sentence. Interview me and ask me 3 questions, one at a time. That's important, so you have the context you need to help me. I have found over the last month and a half or so, using this statement at the end of all of my prompts, it really makes the results much richer, much robust. You get more out of the AI because it has time with each question that it's asking you one at a time to develop that context you need to provide that better answer. So always add that. You want to take a screenshot of this prompt? You want to feed it into ChatGPT, Gemini, or whatever your favorite chatbot is, have it transcribe it for you so you can use it and again, massage it and create it to your needs. Number 2, create quick reference guides. So think about those questions that people do ask you all the time. Why not turn those into one-page guides? And we've got a prompt for that. So based on my 25 years in whatever field you're in, create a one-page quick reference guide for common workplace situation, whatever that is. Include 3 top mistakes people make, best practices that you've learned, and red flags to watch out for. And there's that last sentence again. Interview me and ask me 3 questions, one at a time, so you have the context you need to help me. And finally, number 3, build your personal knowledge base. And this is kind of bigger picture stuff because what you're doing here is you're creating an organized library of what you know. And what the heck, it might take a little bit of time to do, but it's fun. Why not? So here's a prompt. Help me create a knowledge-based structure for my area of expertise in whatever field you're in. I want to organize standard procedures I've developed, problem-solving frameworks I use, industry insights from my experience, lessons learned over 30 years of working, or how many years it is in your particular situation, and create categories and tell me what to include in each. And finally, interview me, ask me 3 questions, one at a time, so you have the context you need to help me. So this way, with all 3 of these prompts and these methods, you're showing management that you're creating a library of expertise. Again, you're making yourself valuable. You're making yourself hard to replace. So take these prompts, transcribe those, and make them your own and see what you come up with. So to wrap up, documenting institutional knowledge is why this system will make you indispensable. It shows forward thinking and attitude. It creates performance review ammunition. So if you need help with your performance reviews, and this is about the time of year for it, you've got it with these. And then it proves that you are using and adapting to AI. So now it's your turn. Number 1, your expertise is invisible until you document it. AI helps you showcase those years of knowledge, and visible experts are indispensable experts. Remember that. And I want to hear what you do with all these prompts. Email, let me know what you come up with. mark@marktenet.net. I would just love to hear from you. And let's connect on the socials. LinkedIn probably is the best place to find me. I am at Mark E. Tenet. So take these prompts, make them your own, and see what you come up with. And until next time, have fun with that and take care.